Hi everyone, welcome back to some more 3D printing. I'm Agustin Floballistic and today I'm going to show you this, the Glitchboy Pi version. Some weeks ago I did this other design which I call the Glitchboy. It's super big, it's a super big Game Boy, and I designed it to test the print surface of the VCN 3D Sigma that I was testing at that time. After designing it, I talked with Noe and Pedro from Adafruit, and they helped me get all the parts to make a functional version which we have here, the Glitchboy Pi. It was in my plans to have a functional Glitchboy by now, but I ran into some issues with my laptop which completely changed my schedule. I finished the Glitchboy design, which this one is the dual extrusion version, but I haven't finished assembling the components. Here we only have the screen and the Raspberry Pi and the power supply, so it works, but you need to use a controller and external power if you want to use exactly this one. The good thing about this design is that it uses almost the same components as the PiGirl 2, and there is a very complete tutorial on Adafruit's website where you can see how to make one. Now let's have a super quick look at the Fusion 360 files, and I will show you how the Glitchboy looks like on the inside. The Glitchboy Pi is smaller than the original Glitchboy, but it's still pretty big. The model consists of two parts, a bottom and a cover. This design is created for a dual extrusion machine, but it's as easy as combining the elements to get a single extrusion version. The buttons are also meant to be 3D printed, and there are also two more 3D printed items: the Start Select button holder and the battery holder. This model uses almost the same components as the PiGirl 2, but there is a lot more space inside to fit all the components. In order to improve the ergonomics, all these components, except the screen, are placed on the bottom half. They are held in place either using 2.5mm screws or just some glue. On the left side of the model you can find the on-off switch, USB charger and all the Raspberry Pi USB ports. Both bottom and top parts are held together using 3mm screws that are inserted on the back part of the model. As you can see, the project's design phase is already finished, but this video is more a project update rather than a finished project video, as I usually do. I just didn't want to delay anymore this project because it's cool and most of you will probably assemble the electronics and all the difficult components 10 times faster than me. I usually only share the STL files and give my patrons exclusive access to the source files for some months, 2 or 3 depending on the model. However, as this project is pretty complex, at least for me, and not all of you have a dual extrusion machine or a big print bed like the VCN 3D Sigma, I left a link in the description where you can access all the source files and import them on your Fusion 360 and change any size or parameter you want. I've also left a link in the description to all the parts you need to assemble yours, and all of them can be found on adafruit.com. Also, huge thanks again to Pedro and Noe from Adafruit for helping me with this project. I would be super lost without your help. Also, if you have any questions about this Glitchboy Pi, use the comment section below, although if your questions are related to the electronics, it will be complicated for me to answer them. Remember that the PiGirl 2 tutorial is on Adafruit's site. I will add a link in the description, and there you will find answers to almost all the questions you have concerning the electronics. And that's it for this video. I will share some more videos about this project when it's done, but I'm moving to a different country in the next weeks, so it will take some time for me to get back to normal. In the meantime, you can like this video and subscribe to this channel because there will be more projects all this summer. Also, huge thanks to all my supporters for making these projects possible. I hope you enjoyed with this Glitchboy Pi version, and see you next time.